Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 3rd February. Let's start. In the year of 1509 on this day the Battle of Diu between the Portuguese and the Osmans took place in Diu in India. In the year of 1760 on this day the Maratha army led by Sadasivrao Bhau badly defeated the Nizam's army in the Battle of Udgir. In the year of 1815 on this day the first cheese factory was opened in Switzerland. In the year of 1816 on this day Ram Singh Kuka, the founder of the Namdari sect known as Kuka sect, was born. He is credited with being the first British Indian to use non-cooperation and boycott of British goods and services. In the year of 1909 on this day Indian freedom fighter Swasni Ganguly was born. She participated in the Indian independence movement. She was involved in social struggle throughout her life. In the year of 1916 on this day Banaras Hindu University was opened. In the year of 1925 on this day the first electric train in India ran between Bombay BT known as now Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and Kurla Harbour. The train was electrified on 1500 volts DC. In the year of 1951 on this day Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, one of the first supporters of the demand for Pakistan, passed away. He is credited with coining the name Pakistan for a separate Muslim homeland in South Asia and is commonly referred to as the originator of the Pakistan movement. In the year of 1963 on this day Raghuram Rajan, the 23rd governor of the Reserve Bank of India, was born. Between 2003 and 2006 he was chief economist and in 2006 director of research at the International Monetary Fund. In the year of 1969 on this day Indian politician C. N. Annadurai, known as Anna, passed away. He served as the fourth and last chief minister of Madras state from 1967 to 1969 and the first chief minister of Tamil Nadu for 20 days before his death. In the year of 1970 on this day foundation stone of India's first and world's largest coal-based fertilizer plant was laid at Talcher. In the year of 1988 on this day INS Chakra, the first nuclear powered submarine, was inducted into the Indian Navy. In the year of 1996 on this day Duti Chand, the first Indian player to win a gold medal in the 100 meters race in a global competition, was born. She is the third Indian woman to qualify for the women's 100 meters event at the Summer Olympic Games. In the year of 2016 on this day the US President Barack Obama visited his first American mosque, the Islamic Society of Baltimore Mosque, Maryland. In the year of 2018 on this day India won the title for a record fourth time in the Under-19 Cricket World Cup held in New Zealand. In the year of 2018 on this day Moscow had the heaviest snowfall in a single day, in which one person died and 2000 trees were fallen. In the year of 2021 on this day Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Animal Husbandry Minister Giriraj Singh, Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and Minister of State for Jal Shakti Ratan Lal Kataria jointly launched a web portal on Govardhan scheme across the country. The scheme is likely to increase the income of farmers through conversion of biodegradable waste into compressed biogas. In the year of 2021 on this day the Department of Personnel and Training under the Ministry of Personnel appointed Praveen Sinha as the interim director of the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). CBI headquarters is situated in New Delhi. CBI establishment in 1st April 1963. In the year of 2021 on this day India slipped 2 places to 53rd position out of 167 countries in the 2020 Democracy Index. The Democracy Index ranking is released by the Economist Intelligence Unit. EIU headquarters is situated in London, United Kingdom. Economist Intelligence Unit parent organization is Economist Group. It is established in 1946. In the year of 2021 on this day Aisha Aziz, a 25-year-old Kashmiri woman, became the country's youngest female pilot in 2011 at the age of 15, she became also the youngest student pilot to be licensed. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.